Hey guys, Tony here. So I have been getting a lot, apart from, Bitcoin almost hitting 64K, but I've been getting a lot of questions on how to buy LSS on KuCoin. And this video is going to be going over that. And this is already, assuming that you already have an account on, I use Coinbase and I use KuCoin. The way that I purchase, LSS or LossLess on KuCoin is, what I did first is I actually went to, so I'd go to portfolio, I'd go to USD coin, I would buy however much USDC that I would want, and then I would go to where it says trade, and I would put, I would go to the middle portion, these two lines going left and right, and then I would hit send, right? And then I would hit, and then I would send, USDC. Let me see, US. Do I not have it? Oh, I guess I guess I can't send it because I don't have any. But I would click send, and then what I would do is I would go to my KuCoin, and then I would grab my USDC, right? And then I would hit, or you can go to your account, you can hit deposit, and then you would search for USDC. You would click that, and then you would copy the code, the wallet address for this USDC. You would go back to Coinbase. You would input that wallet into your Coinbase when you're going to send it, and then you would hit send, and then the USDC coin should show up in your KuCoin in like 10-15 minutes. And once that actually happens, it's a little bit of a complicated process. You can only buy LossLess with Tether. So you would look up USDT//USDC like that. You would click it, and then you would hit buy, and then you can do like a mark. You would hit where it says under the buy, it says limit. You would actually just go to market. You would hit 100%, or you would hit you would basically put as much as you want to buy. You would click buy USDT. Automatically you would buy all the Tether, and then and then you would go back to search, and you would look up LSS/USDT. So LSS/USDT. And now, because you actually have Tether, you would go into here, you would hit buy, and then you would buy as much as you possibly want, because now you have the full Tether conversion. And I know it's a little bit complicated in a sense, where it kind of sucks that you have to actually go from one exchange, buy stuff, and then send it to another exchange or a wallet, and then convert that to the only thing where you can actually purchase it from. So it's super complicated. This is just a quick overview of how to actually buy USDC coin from Coinbase, transfer it over, or send this over to your KuCoin wallet, which is the USDC KuCoin. And then after you transfer it over, then you have to buy USDT/USDC. So you're basically buying Tether with your USDC coin. And then after that's done, then you're buying finally the LossLess/USDT, which is you're buying it with Tether. So a bit of a complicated process, I know, but that's usually what I did to do that, and there's actually other ways to do it. I mean, you can also, like, for example, I kind of want to sell my full Matic position and buy LossLess. In a case like this, I would probably just send all of my Matic over to KuCoin and then sell it for Tether, and then just buy LossLess, right? So I hope this video made it a little bit easier. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and if this video helped you out, just leave a like. But this is a small overview of what of how to actually do it. Let me know if it helped, and if you guys have any more questions. But I know it's a little bit complicated. I should probably make another video actually going extremely in depth about it, but I'm currently at work, and I can't really make that kind of video right now. But I'll see you guys later. I hope that helped, and have a great day. Bye bye.